Hi, I'm Leighton Denmark, and this video is created by me, Esther Smith, and Ethan Cohen. So today we'll be talking about state shapes. This is a concept that is studied in Unit 4 of AP Human, and I'm just going to make a quick little video so that you can be prepared for the final exam in about a week. Okay, so the state shapes we're going to be covering today are compact, elongated, perforated, perrupted, fragmented, and enclave and exclave states. Okay, so the first state shape is compact. This state shape is, as its name suggests, it's compact. It's more circular in shape and are known to be the most efficient state shape. This shape allows for the most efficient internal communications and travel in between the country. Ideally, compact states has a capital in the middle. So this is actually the most efficient because the capital situation in the middle, which means equidistant from all the borders and most cities in the country, and it's also good to defend not too many different places, just one big surrounding defense. The next state shape is elongated. So no matter where you put the government, it cannot favor both sides for the state shape. The results in poor communication and is very hard to defend. One side is always favored more geographically. Some examples are Chile, Norway, and Vietnam. So let's look at Chile. So Chile is a long, elongated state, north to south, with also a great mountain range. Imagine trying to make a phone call in Chile from north to south. It's going to take a little longer, it's a little harder, right? And that's because you have to travel a great distance and those mountains, compared to a compact state like those Hungary, Kenya, and Uruguay. So some examples of elongated states are, once again, Chile, Norway, and Vietnam. Perforated state shapes are, so it's a country inside another country, and that makes it perforated. So here, let me explain this. So let's actually take an example. So South Africa and Lesotho. South Africa it's a big country, right? And Lesotho is inside of it. It's a little tiny country that sits inside of it. South Africa is a perforated state. It's been perforated by Lesotho, so it's been perforated, punctured by. So some examples of perforated states are South Africa and Italy. Some perrupted states, which is our next one, are Namibia, Myanmar, and Thailand. So perrupted states, they serve as a better access for resources and act as a buffer state. They're all about finding out how to distribute conflict between states. Some have like an arm-looking thing or a little piece of land sticking out. So let's get Namibia. So when the European powers geographically drew the lines for Africa, one power saw Namibia and secretly got together and said, there might be a gold mine over there in that little piece of land. So they drew actually this little arm-looking thing so that they could study, and turns out they didn't find anything. So sometimes these states are corrupted because of geographical reasons, economical reasons, political, and sometimes ethnical. The next state shape is fragmented. So there are actually two types of fragmented states. One is where the state is fragmented by water or a landmass like Indonesia or the Philippines down in South Asia. The other type is being separated by an intervening state. So this is considered the most problematic state shape, the fragmented. The second type, where it's separated by an intervening state, would be United States, Alaska, and our mainland is separated by Canada. So back to the first type, which is by water. So if you look at Indonesia, all these little islands, right? This is most problematic because imagine trying to defend all that. That's a lot of land to cover, a lot of water to cover, very expensive. So that's one reason why it's very problematic. Also, trying to trade between all these little islands. It's like you got your own little international organization within your own country. So that's fragmented. the last topic is enclave and exclave states. So they're often mixed up with each other. Enclave is in and exclave is out. An enclave state is a country that is inside another country. So Lesotho and South Africa, right? An exclave is a state that is cut off from the rest of this country. So that would actually be Swaziland and also South Africa. So an example of an exclave are Alaska, Kaliningrad, and Libya. And then some examples of enclaves are Lesotho, Vatican City, and San Marino. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and good luck on the exam.